How to apply Lloyds bank account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can apply Lloyds bank account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to apply for Lloyds bank account, first of all just go to lloydsbank.com and then you will see this type of interface where you have to tap the three lines option from the top left and just go to this option right here known as current account. So tap on the current account option. Now under the current account you'll find an option right here that says current account, so make sure to tap on it. And once you go to the current account option here, now over here you just want to scroll down and select the type of account that you want, which is the classic one or whatever else. So you can just tap the classic option here, and as you tap on the classic option right here you can find the ready to apply option. So all you have to do is tap the ready to apply button here. Here you can see there's apply for classic account or whatever. So once you have done that, you should be able to apply now and then fill in all the necessary details required. So scroll down, tap on the continue option again. Once you have done that, on the next particular page you have to go ahead and then look for other similar options here. So are you an existing customer? No. Do you already have account? No. And then again just tap on continue. Now from here on pretty much it's self-explanatory. You can basically go and enter your legal details over here. After you enter all your legal details, you can just go ahead and then scroll down to the bottom, tap and continue to fill in other details, and your Lloyds bank account will get successfully applied for, and then you can go ahead and then basically log in and create your account. This way you should be able to apply for Lloyds bank account online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.